Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta. First, gather your ingredients, 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 3 large eggs. Create a well in the center of your flour on a clean surface. Crack the eggs directly into this well. Use a fork to gently whisk the eggs, slowly incorporating flour from the sides. Continue mixing until a shaggy dough forms, then use your hands. Once your dough is shaggy, bring it together and begin kneading. This is crucial for developing gluten, giving your pasta its chewiness. Knead for about 8 to 10 minutes, pushing with the heel of your hand, folding and turning. The dough should become smooth and elastic. Wrap it tightly in plastic wrap and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. After resting, divide your dough into 2 or 3 manageable pieces. Lightly flour your work surface and a rolling pin. Roll each piece of dough as thin as possible, aiming for about 1/16 of an inch. You should almost be able to see through it. Once thin, fold the dough and cut it into your desired pasta shape, such as fettuccine or tagliatelle. Bring a large pot of generously salted water to a rolling boil. Carefully add your fresh pasta and cook for just 2 to 4 minutes, or until al dente. Fresh pasta cooks much faster than dried. Drain quickly and toss immediately with your favorite sauce. For more great tips and deals, including a fantastic book on personal finance, check the description below. Enjoy your delicious homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.